Hi guys, welcome back to the automation point. In this tutorial, we will see of AWS free account and what all the services AWS provides under the free account. Mm, okay, so let's see the agenda of this tutorial. So in today's, we will discuss AWS free tier services. What all the services are comes under the free tier, free. Okay, free tier use and their restrictions. Although these services are AWS is free, but they can't give everything. Okay, under that services, so they have some restriction and how much you can use. So we will see that, and then we will show you how to create the free tier account. So let's move ahead. Okay, here we can go, and from here let's just type AWS console. Okay, AWS console. Okay, here the first one services. So this is the official site of the AWS. Okay, so here you can see it's AWS has given the detailed information about all the products and all the services they provides. Now solutions also, what all the solutions they provides, and now then pricing. So here on the pricing we can see AWS free tier services they have mentioned. So let's click on this AWS free tier services. Okay, so under this AWS free tier services, guys, here we can see what all services are free. So it's always free, 12-month free, and trials. So here always free means this services is always free. It's saying that never, once you will create your account, it will not expire. It will continue forever, but after 12 months, it will ask you to renew with some paid services, and it will ask you to take some paid services. Okay, and then they have said that 12-month free services, and just you do the sign up and use these services. Apart from that, they have listed how much hours and what all the services or how much hour you can use. So let's go here in the product categories and go the compute services. Inside the compute services, guys, we have the most commonly used services of the compute services of compute domain is this EC2 instance. So this EC2 instance comes under the free services. The T2 micro instances of this EC2 family comes under free services, but you can use 750 hours in a month. So this is the more than sufficient, guys, to do the hands-on and do the practice. Now this 750 hour is more than sufficient. Just what you need to do, whenever you want to use, just create one EC2 instance, and whenever you want to use that instance, at that moment just launch that, start that instance and use it. And once you have done your exercise, just close this instance. In this way you can use throughout the month. If your usage is below 750 hours, then it will not charge anything, and it is sufficient to do the hands-on, guys. So apart from that, they have discussed about the Lambda. So 1 million means how much request it serve. 1 million requests per month it serve free of cost. And then they have discussed about the other services, how much hours and how much. This is the storage services. So they have how much MB they are provided. 500 MB they are providing free of cost. So like that, it has been mentioned here about every services. Let's go on the database part. So database also what 700, it is providing the all different database services. So this is also free for 750. This is the Amazon RDS, and then more DB 25 GB is free. And then let's go and another services. So in this way, these all services you can use for 12 months. And if you will take care that you are not exceeding this limit, then you will not be charged on this. And I am also using the free account. Okay, so this account you can use, and you can do the hands-on. Just to use this account very carefully. So what we discussed till now, so as per agenda, we discussed free tier usage and their restriction. We show you, and you now can go in deep dive. So whatever services you are using as in under the free tier, you go here and see their pricing and everything, and after that carefully you can do the hands-on on that, guys. So let's see how to create the free account, AWS free account. To create free account, here it's instructing complete sign up, or another option is create a free account. Below this services, below this information, we have one link here to create a free account. So just click on this create free account. It will ask for the email ID. Yeah, so create an AWS account form came. So pass your valid email ID and the password you intended to keep, and then pass the whatever the username, AWS account name you want to keep, and continue ahead. Once ahead, it will ask some more information, and it will ask for, let's say, let me keep some here, some email ID. So let's take email ID automation. Sorry, automation point.com @gmail.com, and password you can give anything as you want. So I'm giving here some password, and it will see password does not meet the password requirement. So just accordingly to give the password requirement. ABCD, just sample I am taking here. And then you give the account name here, test account. Okay, and then continue. After continuing, it will ask your complete information, everything, and once you will pass this all information and you give your for professional, not we are going to use for the personal purpose. And so give the all the information here, CT, and then once you will give all the information, testing already, let's move ahead, check this one and move ahead. So what it is saying, correct the error. So here it is asking to pass the phone number, address, and everything. So once you will pass this all information, further it will pop up, we give you page to give your credit card information. Just you need to fill your credit card information as this that for as the coming form will ask. So you will not be charged, only 1 and 2 rupees AWS deducted just to verify that this whatever card information you has provided, it is valid or not. So this is the very nominal 1 and 2 rupees we can spend, and we can use this account to learn and do the hands-on for a year. Okay guys, if in between if you think that you need some other services, then you can upgrade to that paid services. But as I can suggest you go with this free services account and create your AWS account and start using that. In the subsequent tutorial we will discuss about all the different services and how to use that services, and that is all the example whatever we will take in this tutorial. I will try to take from the free account only, so you can go and use this free account and do the hands-on on the AWS services, guys. Thanks guys, please subscribe, share and like the channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to keep getting updates, guys. Thank you once again, guys.